course, it's my origins, and I lost my father because of this. So of course I'm touched, but yeah, actually it was horrible and a horrible lesson, human lesson, I think.
Do you see yourself as a victim as well because your father died then?
Of course. Actually, I didn't know it if he was dead or not, but I knew it a little bit. You know, nobody had the courage, is that right? Yeah, courage to tell me that he was dead, and I knew that because I had no more news or from anybody. Nobody wanted to talk about this, so I knew that it was finished. So I just asked to my own mother, and they said no. I think he's dead. And I think the most difficult for in this case is that nobody found, or not many people found the bodies of their family. And when you don't have the body of your family, you still think that he's still alive. And maybe that's the most difficult part of this horrible, but of course.
And your father was never found in Rwanda?
No, actually they just found a shirt, and yeah. And we can suppose that that was his shirt because the ID or something was inside. So
yeah. Okay.
And it's the case of so many person in this horrible...
Almost 1 million people
yeah.
were killed. Yeah.